Hey YouTube, HDE-Tech here with another unboxing. This one is a Joby GorillaPod 3K Video Pro. So it comes with a few more bells and whistles than the regular 3K kit. It's good for 3 kilograms or 6.61 pounds. What was interesting to me that this particular model was made in Italy. So that was interesting to me. So let's dive into it. Actually, this was from Amazon warehouse. It's slightly, I don't know. I don't think it was used, but it was returned possibly. So yeah, this is the kit. It does have the handlebar for it, the level, and oh yeah, it's tight. I mean, it's solid. So if you guys want to save quite a bit, feel free to use Amazon warehouses items. So that's you'll see a substantial savings, and I'll take a dive at it. It seems like this comes with a cell phone pod too. So I'll put it together and come back to you with a short video, short review, and we'll go from there. Thank you very much.